Hello, my name is Julio Vivas and this is my Integrative Activity 2, identifying organic compounds, hybridizing, tetravalence, types of formula, and structural classification. Question 1. Relate the following properties with each compound: acetylene or ethene and potassium permanganate. First, soluble in non-polar solvents. Acetylene. Boiling point of -57 degrees Celsius. Acetylene. Melting point of 240 degrees Celsius. Potassium permanganate. Not flammable. Potassium permanganate. Relative density of 0.907 acetylene. Soluble in water. Potassium permanganate. Melting point of -81 Celsius degrees acetylene, and finally relative density of 2.703 potassium permanganate. Question number 3. Consider the following structure and answer the questions. First, how many hybrid orbitals does carbon-3 have? It has 4 hybrid orbitals of sp3. 2. What is the total numbers of sp hybridizing carbons? We can identify 2 sp hybridizing carbons. 3. What is the formula used in this structure? This structure is a structural formula or linear formula. And finally, how many sigma bonds does carbon-1 have? Carbon-1, we can look at the right side, it has only one sigma, and downside it has 1 sigma and 1 double. We can conclude that it has 2 sigma bonds and 1 pi. Question 2. Carbon dioxide is a colorless gas with a molar mass of 44 grams over mole. It is colorless and odorless, with a solubility in water of 200 degrees grams over L. Its relative density is 0.82 and its chemical stable under normal pressure and temperature conditions. Its sublimation point is -78.5 Celsius degrees, and for this information, infer the type of compound it is. From the data given, we can infer that it is an inorganic compound, mainly due to the fact that this type of compound is mostly soluble in water. We continue with the comparison of the example of carbon dioxide, which is colorless, and unknown compound is colorless and odorless. With this activity, I can identify organic and inorganic compounds based on their properties and characteristics. Also, I can identify the different types of compounds, it having his characteristics. And finally, I can now identify the type of structure of developed, semi-developed, or linear in different structures of carbons. Thanks for your attention, and these are my references.